Today we are gathered here to join these two beautiful sauces in holy McMatrimony. Honey and mustard have been the two most loved ingredients that only appropriate that time has come for you two to become one. Are there any objections?
I object! Honey, I've always loved the way you've coated my crispy nuggetness. Nugget, not now. Huh.
May I have the rings? Do you, honey, promise to love mustard, to always be there, to dip, taste, and finger lick for as long as you both shall have the desire?
I do!
Mustard, do you promise to love honey, to always be there, to dip, taste, and finger lick for as long as you both shall fulfill the desire?
Oh, I do.
You may kiss each other. I now pronounce thee honey mustard.